When we are logging into our website, we are given options on where we want to go. This is simply a shortcut, as we can navigate between these systems once we have logged in. We'll go ahead and log in to view our website's content editor. Once logged in, we see a toolbar across the top of the page. This toolbar allows us to navigate between the different systems of management on our website, such as our account information, our SEO cart store, and support. In this video, we are focusing on the content editor. When we first bring up the content editor, we are shown our website's homepage with a few things overlaying the website. The web pages dialog shows a tree structure of our entire website and lets us easily manage web pages and navigate between them. As we click each page, we can see a preview of that page in front of us. The arrows to the left of each web page let us show and hide web pages nested within other web pages, or products within our store's categories. We can drag the web pages dialog to someplace more convenient if we choose. We can hide the dialog by clicking the X, and then re-show it by clicking the Show Web Pages button at the top of the page. In the event that something seems out of place with our web pages tree, we can refresh our web pages by clicking the refresh icon. The current view state is always remembered. The numbers at the top of the web pages dialog let us know how many total web pages we have created and how many web pages we actually have published. Only pages that are published will show up on the live website for everyone to see. This way, we can work on new web pages and not publish them until they are completely ready. The web pages tree also allows us to drag and drop web pages to sort them or move them. We can right-click on a web page to view more actions, such as editing the web page, copying it, renaming, deleting, and more. We can also click the Options button that appears when we hover the mouse over that web page. This is the same as right-clicking on the web page. We've already talked about the Show Web Pages button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, but there are some other buttons up here as well. The first button is another refresh button. Clicking it will refresh the current web page that we are previewing. Most of the time, the web page is refreshed automatically when changes have been made to that page, so we typically don't need to do this. The Web Page Properties button will show the properties for the current web page that we are viewing. Web page properties are not the same as web page content. Properties include the web page URL, meta options, the page level CSS, and page level JavaScript. More information about these options can be found in the website properties video. The Publish Web Page button will publish or unpublish the current web page we are viewing. As mentioned earlier, only published web pages appear on the live website for everyone to see. We notice as we navigate from page to page, a toolbar appears over the content area on that page. The options in this toolbar are different depending on the type of content on the web page. We can click the light bulb button to see the region that the toolbar manages. We can drag the toolbar within this content region if it's covering something up. The toolbar is locked within the content region and it cannot be dragged outside of it. The Edit Content button allows us to edit the content on the region that the toolbar manages. The Change Layout button will let us select a new layout to use for the particular content region. If we are viewing a product or a category page in our store, these buttons are slightly different, but still allow us to manage the particular content on the page.